This is my AU Falcon, which I paid $800 for at a police impound auction. It's got 400,000 Ks on the clock, and judging by the rear tyres, it's had a pretty harsh life. With the help from some friends, we fitted a Raceworks Halo bucket seat, Raceworks 6-point harness, we busted out the MIG and welded the diff, and then gave it an Initial D rattle can style paint job. This all seems kind of janky, but that's exactly the aim here. We've been invited down to Calder Park for the REET Race, which is a Freedom 500 inspired Holden Vs Ford circuit race during Keep It REET's Friday night drifts. There's only one problem. Melbourne is 2,000 kilometres away, but luckily Keep It REET came and picked up the car for us while me and my mate Geordie jumped on a plane and flew down.
Hey!
How's it going, bro?
Got an Uber for Woody?
Yep, that's it, mate.
Hey, man. Oh, yeah, what's going on?
Enjoy the meet, mate. Yeah, Nathan. We're at Calder Park, Melbourne for Keep It REET's Friday night drifts. We've got the AU here. We've nicknamed the AU Trent because he's mates with Kevin. The REET Race is full of shitboxes. There's a bunch of other legends here. Sam and Mitch from Dilton Not Board actually worked on the car for us today. Thanks to those dudes, we've got new tyres, new brakes on the back. We actually found the rear brakes still weren't working. The previous owner punched a ball bearing into the master cylinder, so no rear brakes. We've now got brakes. We actually just punched it through into the master cylinder, so that it's sorted. We had to take the tow bar off, so that fought us a little bit, but we're good. We've got stickers on the car. I'm keen to get out there. I'm a little bit scared, to be honest, but I'm keen to go out and have some fun. I'm actually all suited up. I'm ready to go out for a lap now because I've never driven the car, so just want to go for a little shakedown and have some fun. So keen as, let's do it.
Before we can hit the track, I've got to pass scrutineering, which requires the fitment of a fire extinguisher. This kit came from Cap Industries, which is a direct bolt-in via the passenger seat bracket. If you're looking for a neat solution to mount a fire extinguisher in your car, please check the link in the description. Cap Industries make these brackets to fit many different makes and models. Once I'm suited up, I can hit the track, but not before a quick limmy check.
I'm actually quite nervous and I'm only going out to test the brakes. I do feel pretty safe in this suit though, I will say that.
That aircon, yes! Alright, the brakes are pretty shit. This is so woeful. I can't even believe it. It'll do, donkey. That'll do for me for sure. I'm happy with that. That'd be good for me. I can't believe the crowd's here either, it's just insane. I haven't been to a drift event like this in absolutely years, very long time.
How you feeling? You ready?
I'm scared.
Ready to throw down? I'm running on pure sunburn right now, so I reckon it's gonna be a hot battle because my skin is burning.
Does your aircon work?
Yeah, it does. But if I turn it on, you'll see me drop back. That's for sure.
I haven't been to an event like this in so long. It's wild. There's so many crew and I'm loving it. I've just done a lap, checked out some cars. I'm happy with the car, it's good. We probably could have bled the brakes a bit more, but for what it is, it's good. There's a bit of that going on, but the crowd's absolutely loving it. Melbourne's turning it on. Shout out to the Keep It REET crews putting on an awesome event because this is epic, it's really good. We've just had a briefing. We've been told no pit manoeuvres, no silly buggers, so we don't have any roll cages in the car, so we've got to keep it safe. This event is going to be held again on January 25th, so this is a bit of a preliminary test to see if we can make it work. Yeah, so let's get out on track and have some fun. So here's the lineup: AU, VP. This thing's sick. I actually really like it. Put a bit of evidence in this, it looks good. And then another AU and a VX in the front. Yeah! It's got like a skyline bumper on the front of it and everything. Look at that!
Hey! All right. Holden Commodores. Oh my God. See?
Right, this is the REET race. Strapping in. Hey, watch the mirror! Geordie's got to run, I think about 100 metres at least. And then it's a Le Mans style race. He's going to run, he's going to slam my boot shut, and then I'm out of here. So there's a couple of fast runners, but I reckon Geordie's going to be quick. Geordie's going to be quick.
Everyone thinks I'm quick, but I'm not, trust me.
We got.
I'm about to piss my pants.
We got.
Geordie's almost in the lead.
Ladies and gentlemen, this.
Looped it, what a coup! I'm on his tail! to turn down. I'm fighting this car, something chronic. Oh, the car's just dead. The AU's let me down. It sounds absolutely horrible. I got Mike Lake coming up behind me solid. Sandbag them all. Absolutely hating it. I reckon I might call it now. I've just treated this thing with so much disrespect. Ah, dead.
Woody has got traumas on the car.
It's done. Absolutely done. And we're out. What a race. What a race. That was so gnarly. This thing is cooking.
What happened, buddy? Sounds like you're running on 5 cylinders.
We lost the belt.
Oh,
So
no.
So it just died.
Oh, shit boiling. Darn it.
Yeah, the belt came off because I lost steering, and then it was I didn't realise how bad it was, man. You're just fighting the wheel so hard.
Yeah. Sounds like you're running on 5 cylinders.
Oh,
Or?
it's running on nothing
Yeah.
now, yeah. Oh
This bloody car, eh?
no! Well, you're lucky we did this.
Yeah. Oh, is that a knock?
Yeah.
Or a spark plug? Oi!
I reckon that's sabotage.
That is
That's
sabotage. Can't trust anyone.
That was epic. That was so much fun. Shout out to these legends, first, second, third, Mike Lake, Alex and Sam for building on board. They did so well. I threw the belt in like the second or third lap, I think it was. So I had no chance at all.
Nitrous purge.
a mad event. It was just so hectic at the end there. I didn't even film an outro at the track, so here we are back at the shed Monday morning, ready to release to Patreon. I want to say thanks so much to the guys at Keep REET for holding that event. They throw these Friday night drifts events, and I've seen them online. I've never been to one. I was gobsmacked with how popular it was. There were spectators everywhere. I really want to say thanks to everyone that came up and said hi too, especially all those that use the code Woody10. A code, yeah, it gets you a discount, but it also gives event organisers a way to track how many tickets each person is selling. So thanks to all those guys that said hi. I really do love meeting people at events. I was dishing out high fives and handshakes and meeting crew everywhere I went, and it's really cool to see how many people watch the Skid Factory. The AU it's a shitbox, and it lasted all of, I think, maybe 5 or 6 laps. Unfortunately, we were let down with a snapped belt there, possibly some sabotage from other players in the game. But look, at the end of the day, it's all fun and games, and the briefing was put on a show for the crowd. I think we definitely did that. I was there just neutral bombing that AU by the end of it, just for a bit of fun. And I really did have so much fun. I met a whole bunch of new creators. Some of those guys I've never met before, so really cool to meet everyone. And I don't know, that event just in a whole was epic. So thanks to Keep REET for having me. The REET race is also being held at Drift Fest on the 25th and 26th. So Calder Park is going to be completely transformed again. A massive event they're putting on, and there's international guests coming from all over. I'm definitely aiming to be there. I really want to get down and race the AU again. We've probably got a little head gasket issue to fix. I did get that thing red hot, but it is a single cam and they thrive on neglect. So we've got some content coming up. I've got Daihatsu things. Al's Zed's going to be back for a new clutch, and look, no shortage of Kevo stuff either. So thanks for watching as always. Don't forget to drive safe, drive responsibly on the streets, and enjoy the moment. We'll see you next time. Cheers.